welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this green eye look right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also if you guys are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'm just going to jump right into it. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything into place with translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using this palette by Kaleidos, and this is one of my newer favorite brands. A lot of their products are brand new. I have recently started using them and I absolutely love them. So first shade I'm going into is the light orange shade in the palette. I'll leave all the products that I use in the description box down below so you guys can know exactly what the names and where to find each product. So once I blended that first shade into the crease, I'm going into my angled brush and I'm going into the darkest green shade in the Kaleidos palette, and I'm just applying a line of definition in the middle of my crease. And like I always say, guys, if you guys need a help on where to apply this line, you can always apply it with your eye open. I like to give myself a little bit more lid space since I do have semi-hooded eyes, and it's just gonna give us more room to show the work that we do on the lid. So just do it accordingly. Obviously it's going to be different for everyone with different eye shapes. And then I'm going into my small tapered brush and going into the light green shade, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line to blend and diffuse it. And this is just going to give us a really nice gradient. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and my concealer, and I'm just carving my lid and also setting my lid as well to give us a nice base for whatever we're going to apply over top of it. And then I like to grab a really small compact brush with translucent powder, and I'm just packing this over top of the concealer. And then I'm going to be going into this metallic green shade in the palette, and I'm just applying this all over my lid. And then I'm going to be applying my NYX glitter glue, and I like to apply the glitter glue to the area first on my brush, and then afterwards I'll pick up my brush that has a little bit of glitter glue still on it, and then I'll go ahead and pack that glitter on to the area that I applied the glitter glue. A lot of you guys were asking how I don't get that much fallout, how I let that glitter sit, and that is the key to how I don't make a mess with my glitter. And then I'm going into my small pencil brush and the black shadow, and I'm just applying that to the outer corner. And the glitter, by the way, is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll leave the name of it in the description box down below as well. And then I'm going back into my small tapered brush. I'm going into that dark green shadow, and I'm just using that to diffuse that black shadow, blend it into the lid shade, just doing dragging inward motions. And then I'm peeling off my tape. For lashes today, I'm going to be using my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. We do still have these in stock, so if you guys want to check those out, link will always be in the description box down below. For my waterline, I'm using my Urban Decay Double Life Liner, my go-to, my favorite, my holy grail. And then I'm going into our first color that we went into, the light orange shade, and I'm just picking up a smudger brush and just applying this to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be going into the dark green shade with my really flat defined brush and just applying that to my lower lash line as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and coating my lower lashes. And then my inner corner highlight is just going to be my Pixie highlight. And then this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, say what's up. I love reading you guys' comments. I love chit-chatting with you guys. Also, if you guys have any recommendations on future videos that you guys want to see, go ahead and leave it down below. Also, I've linked our vlog channels. I've started to upload a lot to my vlog channel, like several times a week. I'm being super consistent on there, so if you guys want to check out my vlogs, go ahead and check the description box down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!